Okay, this is 2.4. Technically, it's 2.4a. Percents involving decreases and increases. So the easiest way to do that is to find the difference first and then divide that by the starting values. So let's take an example. Gas went up from $2 a gallon to $2.50 a gallon. What was the percent of increase? So this is going to be our X. We first find the difference, which was 50 cents. And the starting value is $2. So then in our percent equation, we take the difference of 50 cents divided by the $2 equals what percent? X over 100. Then when we do the cross multiplication, we get 2x equals 50. X then equals 25%. So when gas went up 50 cents a gallon from $2 to $2.50, it went up 25%. So let's take a look at a different one going in the other direction. Joe has car insurance and he got good grades, so his insurance company was real generous and dropped his insurance from $1,010 to $930. What was the percent reduction in price? Well, the first thing you need to do is find what is the difference in the two prices, which was $80. The starting value was $1,010. So the difference we said was 80. That's divided by the starting value. Make sure you have the 1,010 and not the 930. Remember, it went down, so it started at the higher number. So the difference dividing by the starting point equals X over 100. When you cross multiply, you get 1,010. X equals 8,000. When you divide by the number of X's, both sides, you get 8%, and technically it should be negative 8% because it went down.